So excited, on my way to get my new car that I've been waiting a year for. Actually, yeah, year. I ordered it about a year this time frame, 2024, now 2025. Bought the car 2 weeks ago, but between the PPF guys getting sick and timing and everything, and it's cold weather, I'm finally now 2 weeks later on my way to pick up my car. So give me a second and I'm going to show you what's going on. I have a huge build ahead of me. I'm going to be road tripping this weekend. I'll be posting that hopefully after the weekend. And then the build part's going to take a while because I want to do it right, get a ton of video. Check out my Instagram if you want to like kind of follow where I'm at. But then I'll be posting video down the road. So yeah, like, subscribe, and see you in a second with the actual car. So I'm out here waiting. Lovely Audi RS what 8. Just waiting. Sorry about the wind. It is definitely windy. It is cold. Not fun times. I am here at Lotus DC. This shop's been under construction for like 3 or 4 years now. No, you don't care, you just want to see the car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the car here in a second. Just waiting on the manager to come get the car for me. So check it out. It comes with a trickle charger already, and that's the trickle charger for it in case you want to leave it parked, which I'm not going to be doing. I'm going to be driving the hell out of this thing. But a bunch of detailing stuff, my plates, my other things that I brought that aren't needed, like key cover and stuff. And then the lighting in here is very bad. I don't know how they did it. They have like different lights and stuff like that, but like this space is very darkish. This car is going to pop when it's done. I mean, when it hits the light. But full PPF, full ceramic, absolutely insane. Yes, the ice gray interior that I'm going to be doing. So the car now has 24 miles on it. I already connected to my Waze. So in case you're trying to see, want to see out the back window, kind of show you what that's like. Kind of difficult to see because obviously the mirror's not going to pick that up with me in the way, but it's awesome. And you can actually see behind me. See that lovely V6 supercharger and the little, oh yeah, it's so good. So I know I'm crazy, the white seats, I'm about to ceramic coat them. I was just playing around with the car, still trying to learn it. Let the fun begin. Yeah, white interior. Not sure if it's gonna be the smartest choice in the world, but all I can say is I don't know how well you can see that, but for the driver. Check it out. So I just used the leather 2.0. You can see this. So I used this on the interior of the car because I have that white leather interior. So I have that white leather interior that yeah, I don't want to touch that right now, but I just used the ceramic on it. And then here's the whole car. God, it's so damn beautiful. I did such a good job on the colors. At least I think so. What do you think? Comment below, what do you think of the color combination I did? Like I did yellow calipers, black wheels, then I did the ice gray interior, I did the sports suspension, I did the black leather steering wheel with the yellow stitching. That way it ties the yellow calipers with the yellow symbol emblems. I do have black forged carbon fiber ones, but I'm gonna stick with the yellow. I love that. The little touches, the mirror on the headlight. So this is PPF'd by Lotus, so it has like hidden underneath in certain spots like the actual graphics of the Lotus embossed in it, so that way Lotus knows if you messed with it, because this guarantees the paint. Unlike other PPF, if you rip it off and it rips the paint off, you're SOL. This one actually warranties the paint. But I actually have my first modification. GRP, thank you for this. I probably could have bought it directly from the buyer. I mean, directly from the seller, but I got myself a lovely floor mat. So the Lotus came with a battery tender. I don't plan on using it, so I tucked it back up underneath in the engine bay. I mean, the battery bay. But that's the factory. Here is the aftermarket. Let me put this in real quick and then get back to you. All right, yeah, I don't care if you see my plates. It's custom, so, you know, I'm going through my midlife crisis. So, trunk liner, one of my first modifications. The first is obviously the window tint, and then the PPF, and then ceramic seats, and now that liner. So yeah, one of the tricks to closing this car, got to make sure you slam the trunk, that way it actually seals, because if not, when you pop it, it won't open. But yeah, I would say the whole for the driver, but I got the key cover on it now. Kind of wanted to match the car. But again, what do you think? It's really windy out, so sorry about the audio. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever other YouTube videos there are. I have like a ton of them. More to come on the car. Lots to do. I have tons of boxes of carbon fiber to go on it. And sorry about the audio. There's kids riding through the neighborhood. But yeah, it is absolutely cold out right now. I'm freezing actually. It's like 30-ish degrees right now. But I got tons of carbon fiber that's gonna be going on this, like a crate full, or actually several crates full. If you can see my garage, it's just full of crates. So I have a ton to do, but got a road trip coming up. I'm gonna be heading to Florida in this, get some video of the trip down and back. So stay tuned. Again, hit that like and subscribe, and comment below what you think of the color combination. How'd I do? How'd I do? Later.